Holy crap.
She enjoys it.
Fun. I do enjoy it.
She enjoys massaging people too. You owe me a massage now, twin.
Yes, twin, I do.
It just fell down
All the...
randomly.
Alright, now I need the other one.
Okay, it's in my hand. There you go. And I had this.
How's it feel with a needle in your mouth?
I'm used to it now.
Oh yeah, pretty good. Have you seen Double the Fist? No. Don't
don't
get
think
quiet then. Still sounds funny. So a guy comes into work today and says, "This place is awesome. Everything's cheap. I get served by I get served by blonde. Does it say blondes?
Yeah, blonde.
By a blonde. Oh yeah, because she's a blonde, right? Yeah. Sometimes
Ow.
Here's the painful part. Because the needle just came out. This one can go in the right way then. Because that was a bad needle. Yes, this one's gonna hurt.